Home equity can be a complicated concept. While most homeowners understand the basic idea, there are often questions around how it can be used. Equity is the amount of principal you've paid toward your mortgage, and it can offer a relatively convenient, low-cost, and flexible way to access money for any number of things, like tuition, paying off debt, or home repairs. If you're making home renovations, you can choose either a home equity loan, a home equity line of credit, or even a home improvement loan. Either would be a great choice because not only are you immediately reinvesting in what's likely your most valuable asset, but using it for renovations can mean interest deductions at tax time too. And because home equity loans and lines of credit are secured by your property, they usually come with substantially lower rates, which is why it's also a smart choice for tuition or debt consolidation. Home equity is a powerful tool for homeowners to tap into. If you think a home equity product makes sense for you, talk with your lender. They can help walk you through the process, discuss any challenges, and find the right product for you.